Why does she look confused? Let's see if we can help her. Aisha has to subtract these two fractions. Since they are like fractions, all we need to do is subtract the numerators, and the denominator will remain the same. Subtracting 1 from 8 gives 7, and the denominator is 15. So, subtracting 1 by 15 from 8 by 15 gives 7 by 15. Simple, isn't it? Take a look at this problem. We have to again subtract like fractions. Why don't you help Aisha find the answer to this subtraction? Click the correct option.
Okay, now I will click on 1. You have to put your thumbs up if I am on the right answer. When I am on the right answer, you give me a thumbs up. Is this the answer? This? Yes.
That's correct. To subtract 12 by 37 from 21 by 37, we need to just subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator. So, the correct answer is 9 by 37. Okay, now let's look at this problem. Here, we have unlike fractions to be subtracted. Just as unlike fractions cannot be added directly, they also cannot be subtracted directly. They need to be first converted into like fractions with the same denominator. To do that, let's find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Now, we just need to express 5 by 6 and 1 by 4 to equivalent fractions that will have a common denominator, which is 12. So, 5 by 6 is expressed as 10 by 12 and 1 by 4 is expressed as 3 by 12. Now, we have to simply subtract 3 by 12 from 10 by 12. We get 7 by 12 as the answer. So, subtracting 1 by 4 from 5 by 6 gives 7 by 12. It's your turn to help Aisha. We have two unlike fractions again. Help Aisha find the correct answer to this subtraction. Click the correct option. Brilliant! To subtract 1 by 4 from 9 by 10, we first find the LCM of 4 and 10, which is 20. We then convert these fractions to equivalent fractions with denominator 20 and subtract them. So, the correct answer is 13 by 20. Let's take a look at this problem. Aisha has to subtract two mixed numbers. We first need to convert both these numbers to simple fractions. 6 and 3 by 4 is equal to 27 by 4. And 3 and 2 by 3 is equal to 11 by 3. Now, we just...
The mixed number has been converted into an improper fraction. 4 6s are 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 upon 3.
Just need to subtract 11 by 3 from 27 by 4. Since they are unlike fractions, let's find the LCM of the denominators to convert them to like fractions. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So, expressing 27 by 4 as 81 by 12 and 11 by 3 as 44 by 12, We now have like fractions that can be easily subtracted. Subtracting 44 by 12 from 81 by 12, we get 37 by 12. Converting 37 by 12 back to a mixed number, we get 3 and 1 by 12. So, subtracting 3 and 2 by 3 from 6 and 3 by 4 gives 3 and 1 by 12.
Now here they haven't shown how the LCM of this is done, but you are to do the LCM here in the working column. So if you find out the LCM of 4 and 3, you will get 12. Both the denominators need to be changed to 12 by multiplying by a particular number. Okay. So when you multiply 4 by 3, you get 12. When you multiply 3 by 4, you get 12. So whatever you have done with the denominator, you do it with the numerator.
It's your turn to help Aisha subtract mixed numbers. Take a look at this subtraction problem. Click the correct option.